Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit variant prices in Shopify. Whether you're updating prices for a seasonal sale, adjusting due to supplier changes, or just want to make some tweaks, Shopify's user-friendly interface makes bulk editing a breeze. The best part is, once you understand the process, you can quickly make changes across your store, saving you time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the bulk editor and be able to update your product listings in no time. Let's jump in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with various management options, such as orders, products, customers, and more. What you're looking for is the section labeled Products. This is where you manage everything related to your store's product listings. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your store, whether it's a single item or hundreds. From here, you'll be selecting the products whose prices you want to edit. If you're running a large store, the list can get long, but don't worry. Shopify makes it easy to filter your products. There are checkboxes next to each product on the list. Carefully go through and click on the checkboxes for all the products you'd like to include in your bulk edit. You can select multiple products at once, which is a huge time saver when you need to adjust prices for various items. This is a crucial step because only the products you select here will be editable in the next steps, so make sure you get them all lined up. If you're doing this for a specific category or season, consider using Shopify's filter tools to narrow down your selection to just those products. Once you have your desired products selected, you'll notice an option at the top of the list that says Bulk Edit. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option, and you'll be transported to the bulk editor interface. Think of this area as your digital workspace. It resembles a simple spreadsheet table, so if you've worked with Excel or Google Sheets before, you'll immediately feel at home. Shopify has designed this interface to be intuitive, with each product's properties, like title, price, inventory, and variants, neatly arranged into individual columns. Now, the focus here is on prices. So if you don't see a column labeled Price, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Look toward the top right corner, and you'll see a button labeled Columns. Clicking on this button will bring up a menu of options that you can enable or disable. You'll likely see options for price, inventory, SKU, and more. Go ahead and enable the price column, and it should appear right away in your bulk editor. This is a key step because it ensures you're working in the right section to make your pricing adjustments. With the price column now visible, you have the green light to start editing. Click on the cell within the price column of the product variants you wish to adjust. For example, if you're offering a discount on a product for a holiday sale, this is where you can change the price for each variant, whether it's a size, color, or other variant type. You can change the value to reflect the new price for each variant you've selected. This step is the heart of the process, and it's purposefully designed to be straightforward so that you can make your changes efficiently. Remember, you can edit prices individually, or if you're adjusting all variants of a product, you can input the same price for multiple variants at once. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully edited the variant prices in your Shopify store. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that your product pricing is always accurate and up to date. You can quickly make adjustments, whether it's a price increase, seasonal discount, or correcting a mistake. Adjusting prices in bulk is just one of the many powerful features Shopify provides to help streamline your online business. It's an invaluable tool for store owners who want to stay competitive and keep pricing aligned with market changes. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, where we'll dive deeper into other Shopify tips and tricks to improve your store. As always, happy selling!